Congrats to my sellers at 3701 Polo Run. I am so excited for them to have closed on their home today. They came to me a couple years ago and started talking about downsizing, and we've really been working on that for several years. We talked about what were smart updates to do to the home that would help them get more money, and what were things that they probably didn't need to do that wouldn't really bring them value. We did a full stage on this home where we used a lot of the things from their home, but then we brought in staging items too. We really wanted to take the home down to neutral and make it so a buyer would feel like they could move in, it was ready to go. And they had done so many beautiful things to this home that we really wanted to showcase it. Again, today we closed, and I'm so excited for them. They are on to their new chapter. Congrats to Jared and Kristen. It was an absolute joy to work with you.